Hi Akshay, how are you?
Yeah, hi sir. I am good, thank you. And how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Yeah,
Akshay, so can you please introduce yourself?
yeah, sure, sir. Yeah, first of all, thanks for giving the opportunity to introduce myself before this panel. Yeah, my name is Akshay, and I am from Karnataka, and I have completed my BE in Rural Engineering College from VT University in the year 2018, and I have started my career with the ACUS Private Limited as an engineering trainee, and there my roles and responsibility like checking the tickets and solving the issues, whatever the issues raised by the end user, and we used to coordinate with the team and monitoring the monthly SLA and user end user training. These are my roles and responsibilities. And around 2 years, I have worked in ACUS Private Limited. And due to COVID, I have lost their job. And in my last assessment, I was being assessment working with Shore Mind Solution Private Limited, and my client is Cap Gemini there, and there I have worked as a MDM support. So my roles is same as previous, like checking the tickets and coordinating with the team, and whatever the issues raised by the end user, get it solved within a given SLA. And this is just a brief introduction so far, sir. If you would like to know any other details, I would be glad to share it, sir.
Okay, in total, how many years of experience do you have?
I have a, I have totally 2.3 years of experience.
Okay. So why did you choose SAP MM? Because as there are a lot of other modules out there,
Mm,
what
mhm.
what is the main reason for you to choose?
Yeah, now in IT sector, like SAP is booming now, and as I am from mechanical background, I can go with the SAP because I am not familiar with the coding and all. So I have chosen SAP.
Okay, great. Okay, so tell me something about SAP MM.
Yes,
What?
SAP MM is hello. Yes, sir. Can I continue, sir?
Yes, please.
Yeah, SAP is a software like we used to uh, record like whatever from procurement cycle, like a procure to pay whole cycle we can create with SAP. SAP is a tool like purchase from if a vendor, if a customer wants a vendor, and we can create a master data, and we can create a PR, GR, IR, and a whole transaction we can do in SAP. So,
Okay. Okay. So can you explain the difference between a purchase requisition and a purchase order in SAP MM?
yeah, purchase requisition is an internal document, whereas purchase order is a external document where PR cannot be shared and PO can be shared to the users, customer.
Okay. Can you tell me the key steps involved in physical inventory in SAP MM?
For PR,
Yes.
yeah, PR is nothing but purchase requisition. First the company will check whether the material is available or not. If they want a material, they will check for a vendor. If there is no vendor available, then they will go for a purchase requisition, and they will send to some of the vendors. They will check uh, within like if they are having some 3 4 vendors with that material, they will send that purchase organization. Once we get a request for quotation, we will based on the quality of the product and name of the vendor in the market, depending upon the those factors, vendor will be selected. And once we select the vendor, we will go for a PO, and we will create a PO, and we will send to the vendor, and vendor will send back the goods to our storage location, and GR will be done. Once a GR is done, invoice verification will be created.
Okay, great. Okay, so I understand that you do not have a lot of experience. You are almost a fresher
Mm.
guy because you
Yes,
have
yes, yes.
only two. 2 years experience, right? So
Yeah, two,
I,
2+. Yeah, yes.
I believe that though it's not a very long time, but you have faced many challenging issues so far. So can you tell me any issue you encountered during an SAP MM project in your career?
Uh, Yeah, as you know, I am like not more than experienced like a senior. So I am a fresher like kind, but fresher kind like two plus. So anything if I am facing issues now, there will be a senior manager with me, so he can help me with that. Till now, I haven't faced something challenge because they were supporting me. So if I get any, if I stuck with any issues, there is going to be help me.
Okay, so can you describe any moment when you had to communicate technical uh, complex technical information that is
Complex. Yeah.
that you had
Yes, sir.
to convey to the non-technical audience, and how did you actually communicate?
Yeah, actually, for ABAP, while creating report or something, we need to pass the report to the ABAP in their languages. Like we used to check the table, and we have to give the table for data uh, collection. So in that condition, I used to get some difficulties there because I have to if I have to go through tables, I have to check from where the data is coming, and we have to search for the table. In those factors, I used to take help with my seniors.
Okay, so can you explain the concept of batch management?
Batch management.
Hmm.
Sorry, sir. Actually, in my last company, there was no batch management, batch production.
Okay,
I Yeah.
okay, so how do you handle stock transport orders in SAP MM? Are you familiar with
Sorry, sir. Please come again.
stock transport orders?
Hmm.
How do you
How
handle?
it is carried out, right? Yeah.
Yes.
It is stock transfer order is nothing but transferring goods from one plant to another plant, one company to another company, or one store location to another location. It is first we will create a PO, STO PO. Here we will choose a document type for STO PO, and once a STO PO is created, then we will go for a delivery creation under the T code VL10B. Once a delivery is created, then we will go for a invoice verification.
Okay, great. Okay, so Akshay, where do you want to see yourself after
Hmm.
5 years?
After 5 years, I just wanted to see my position in a senior most uh, engineering, like where I have to guide some SAP consultants under me, and where I can lead a team completely, which is dependent on me.
Okay. Can you list some features that you do not like in your current company?
That,
Can you list some
sorry, sir.
features or characteristics that you do not like in your current company?
Okay, do not like in my last company as there
Not
was no such like that.
current company. So where are you working right now?
Uh, I'm currently not working now.
Oh, sorry. You are not work.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
what?
I'm an immediate joiner. Actually, I'm a jobless now.
Mm.
In my last company, the timings were I won't like because there were three shifts actually. We used to work in three shifts,
Okay.
and we have to. It is a rotational shift, and we have to rotate the shift every week. Now that's what I won't like because if I could get only one shift or any other general shift or any kind of only one shift is available, that
Mm.
will be like comfortable. That's
So
what I.
you had to work any of the shift
Mm,
because it was not it was actually determined by your boss or someone like who actually maybe some week you have to work in the morning, maybe in some week you have to work in the evening or something like that, right? So you do not have any individual choice to select any particular shift. That's the problem, right?
mhm. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So
Because we used to support the customer 24/7, so we have to work in rotational shift. That is the I want like that.
yeah, I understand. So what kind of changes do you want in your next company?
Sorry, sir. Please come again.
My question is what kind of changes or positive things you expect in your next
Yeah,
company?
I just yeah, as you said, like as I'm a fresher, kind of having experience low. So I just wanted to upgrade my skills, and I have to learn deep about SAP and about implementation, and I have to involve in all testings and some report creations and enhancement. These are all I want to learn about my SAP life. These were the changes just wanted to uh, work in coming company.
Wait. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, Akshay, for giving me your time. So
Okay,
this is a very initial steps of this recruitment process. So you may have to
okay,
face another round if you are shortlisted
okay,
here.
okay,
So I
okay.
wish you a very good luck for the next round of the interview. Okay. So
Yeah, thank you so much.
then thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Sir, please, sir, can I have one question? Like, may I ask, sir?
Okay. So what kind of question?
Like, I just wanted to check, like, for which location it is hiring for?
It is for Singapore, as I told you in my
Singapore. Okay,
yes.
and it is a remote or on-site?
It's on site, not remote.
Okay, okay, fine. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, bye.